Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul for you guys, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to start off with all of these clothes, which as you can see is quite a lot. First off, all of this is from the thrift store except for one item, which I'll go ahead and start off with, and that is these American Eagle cargos. Yeah, they're cargos, I think. But they say like real good on them, and they're stretchy. These just look like black cargos. I think they're super cute, and I'll put a picture of what they look like on, probably on like some random mannequin. They're super cute, and I also love these butt pockets. I love the little buttons on them and how detailed they are. Just different pants, especially in black, to have, because I feel like I'm using black bottoms all the time, and so I thought this would be a great addition to that collection, and I just think they're super cute and versatile. Next I have this Aeropostale simple shirt. It's like the same style as the shirt I'm wearing right now, which is just like long and fitted, and they're super comfortable to lounge in and to wear to school, stay at home, and I still think they look nice. Here is the design of this one. All of the rest of these clothes that I'll be showing are actually from Goodwill Outlet, except for a few. 3 of the items that I'll go on and show are from like a regular Goodwill. These first 2 are from a Goodwill Outlet. Anyways, here's the design of this shirt. It is simple, but also sophisticated in like the logo it has in the middle, which I think is really cute. Kind of reminds me of like some college sweatshirt or shirt you'd see, and I think this is super cute, and I'll probably be giving this to my sister for her birthday, which is actually tomorrow. I have a few other things that I'm giving her for her birthday, which I will show you guys in a bit. The next thing I got her is this sweatshirt from our school, just a simple red one, and it's just nice to have sweatshirts, and this one in particular actually feels pretty comfortable, and it's a hoodie, which I just think is nice to have, and it's also not like ginormous, which I get that people want like oversized sweatshirts, whatever, but like to an extent, like some of the sweatshirts from Aerie in like size small are huge, and I mean that's just a nice size and fit. So I got her that for her birthday, and my grandpa actually found that sweatshirt hoodie from Goodwill Outlet, so shout out to him, who is a true supporter of my channel. But anyways, here is this sweater. I actually love this sweater so much. I tried it on. It is literally adorable. It has these long open sleeves, and air can run through them, like they're not fitted. The shirt itself is like a little bit cropped, but not to the point that it shows your stomach, and it's just good for the winter and fall, and it's a very neutral black and white stripes design, and I just really like it. And it's from Cider, and it was brand new with tags from regular Goodwill, so stay on the lookout for tags you might see at Goodwill, because you can definitely find a few pieces that are new with tags, and it's not that hard to find them, so stay for the lookout when you're thrifting. And then I found the most perfect jeans somehow from Goodwill, and they're actually Children's Place jeans, but since I'm short and small, they work literally perfect. They're just straight jeans, and they are exactly what they seem like they'd be. Simple, straight blue denim jeans. More of a low to mid-rise, which I actually like. I think it's pretty cute with fitted tops. Yeah, it's just a really good basic to have, and it's always nice to find good fitting jeans for so cheap at Goodwill, because they are getting so expensive in stores. And lastly, for the clothes section, I have this Disney looking shirt, except it's actually just my school again. It's just this red and black, like, I'm about to get on my chair, whoa, spinning. It's this black and red shirt with long loose sleeves, Nice thick material. So I really like that because it will actually keep me warm in the cold days, because it definitely gets cold where I live, and it's not a good time. I'm a summer girl, not a winter girl, not made for this weather. Anyways, moving on from the clothes section into the makeup section. I know, I'm loving makeup so much lately, but let's just get started. I have this Milani Make It Last setting spray for my sister's birthday again. It was $15, which in my opinion is not cheap for a drugstore setting spray, but considering the size, I know it will last her a long time, and I've really only heard like good things about it on TikTok and just online and YouTube and online. I think it will be a nice addition to her makeup collection, because she is getting so much makeup from my mom. She's getting so much stuff in general. But yeah, this is a natural finish setting spray, and it can also be used as a primer, so that's kind of nice. But yeah, I also think the packaging is kind of sleek finish and clean looking, so I like that. I have this Ordinary serum, and I know this is skincare, not makeup, but yeah, it's just the Ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum. Really don't ask me what those mean. I couldn't tell you. But I've seen so many people use this serum in their like get ready with me's and just in videos and stuff. And I tried on a little bit of the tester on my hand at Sephora one time, and I thought it was like a really nice texture, and it is. And so I got it for only $6, which is like such a good price at Ulta. I used it with my makeup today, and my makeup turned out really shiny, like dewy and fresh looking. And so I definitely recommend it if you're looking for like a cheap serum to use underneath makeup. I will say though, right here, like the apples on my cheeks or whatever, my concealer's like separated and didn't sit that well on my skin, so I'm not sure if it's this product or if it's the Tarte Shape Tape concealer I use itself, but so far I think I've been liking this. Now we have a fun little surprise. I mean, I really didn't even think I'd be getting this week, but I did because it's my sister's birthday again for the millionth time. Like I said, her name is Brooke. I'm saying that so I can stop saying my sister's birthday. Got this for Brooke and me, and I gave one to my brother. It's like the Fanta one. These are just a bunch of soda lip smackers, and yeah, if you haven't heard of these or haven't seen these, I'll be pretty shocked. They literally smell amazing, and I've always wanted to get them, but I never really had them. And since I make money off of YouTube somehow now, I didn't for like the first 2 years or 2.5 years. I didn't for a while making YouTube, but now I do, and so I have some money. She's getting rich, but no, I have some money, and I chose to spend my money in these and all the other stuff I got, except for the Goodwill stuff. The Goodwill stuff was paid by my grandpa. Love you, Vavul. Yeah, these are awesome. They smell so good, and if you're wanting like a nice little chapstick that's cute and compact and to put in your school bag or something, or just in your backpack or any bag, then I definitely think these are super fun if you're interested in them. Next, I have this Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in the shade Lead the Way. And the reason it's the shade Lead the Way is because I saw from TikTok that it's supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. And obviously, who doesn't want to be like having some Charlotte Tilbury in the collection, am I right? But who doesn't? And so I was like, oh, it's a dupe? Then I kind of need it. And I got it, and I definitely love it. Like, I think the shade is so pretty, and it's just a super simple, like, not lipstick, it's like an ink crayon, like it says. And it's just a nice addition to my makeup collection because I don't have many other things like this in it. And it's nice to throw in your purse or bag because it won't get messy. And I actually have it on. And it's just like a nudie, it's like a nudie pink color. But the pink part of it is like what makes me like it. And so if you're looking for the perfect pink / nude ink crayon lipstick, then this is definitely something I would buy. I think it's really pretty. But moving on, I have this very random phone stand. And maybe you're like, oh, how is that a phone stand, Caitlin? Well, let me show you. Alright, so I don't have another phone to show you guys with me. Pretty much, you can put your phone this way and it'll hold it. Is it gonna hold it? No, this is too thin. This is like the LED controller. It's literally dusty because we don't use it. I'm allergic to dust. Oh, yeah. There it is. You can like hold it like that in their little hands, which I think is the funniest thing ever. And you can do it this way, that way. It's just a fun little phone stand, honestly. It's just this funny phone stand. Moving on, I have this dollar store haul. And I just got 2 things from the dollar store. And then I got a blush. And this is like, what this reminded me of was like, hear me out, the Dior like super pink blush. And I wouldn't say this color is like as nearly as pinky as the Dior one, or like as light or as purpley in shade as the Dior one. But I would say it's like as bright. It just reminds me of the Dior one. And so I got it from the dollar store. And I mean, it's the dollar store. I don't know what I was expecting, but I definitely think it's like good for the price, at least on my hand. It's right there. Ignore all the other swatches. It's not really showing much on camera, but it's like this line right here. And it's just a nice bright blush to layer with other maybe more like neutral mauve-y blushes. There it is. Nice hot pink. And last but not least, I have this yarn craft kit from dollar store, and it's to make these little bunnies for Easter, which I think are the cutest thing. And I've done something very similar to this, and it's looked very similar to this when we made it, but this is simpler because we don't have to make the pom-poms, and it also already comes with like all these materials. And since Easter's coming up, I've just been wanting to craft things and make things. So I thought this was the perfect little crafty kit for Easter, and just to use as like a little decor bunny for some Easter in my life, Easter in my room. You know what I mean? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!